Shandong Donauer Heavy Industry Company Limited, established in 2019, is a modern agricultural equipment manufacturer with a global outlook, headquartered in Shandong, China. Our production facility spans over 21,000 square meters and integrates research and development, precision manufacturing, sales, and after-sales service into one complete system. We offer a wide range of agricultural machinery, including tractors, rotary tillers, farm trailers, loaders, and newly developed electric tractors, all engineered to meet the evolving needs of today's farms. Our tractor lineup covers a horsepower range from 20 to 260, providing flexible solutions for small-scale farms to large commercial operations. Driven by continuous innovation and supported by strong technical expertise, Donauer is committed to delivering machines that combine durability, performance, safety, and operator comfort. All our products undergo rigorous testing procedures and comply with ISO 9001 CE international standards, ensuring quality and reliability in global markets. Our core philosophy centers around quality builds brand, service wins market. We emphasize customer-oriented product development and tailored support, aiming to help farmers embrace modernization and achieve greater efficiency. Whether selecting from our extensive catalog or requiring custom-engineered solutions, our professional team is ready to provide responsive service and technical assistance to meet your specific sourcing goals. In addition, we actively welcome OEM and ODM cooperation. From concept design to finished product, we offer flexible collaboration models to support branding and market development worldwide. Donauer sincerely invites partners and customers from around the world to visit our facility, discuss opportunities, and build long-term win-win relationships. Together, we can create more value and drive sustainable development in the global agricultural sector.